Hi, and today at Comms and Dojo, we will be talking about the factors affecting fluid friction. So let's start off with the first one. Now, the first pointer says larger the object flowing through a fluid, greater the fluid friction acting on it. Now, let's say on one hand I have a ship with me, and on the other hand I have a boat. Now, both the ship and the boat, they are flowing in water, and they're both moving with the same speed. Keep that in mind, they're both moving with the same speed. But over here, since the ship is larger than the boat, so since the ship is larger than the boat, it will experience a greater fluid friction as compared to the boat. So the ship will experience a greater fluid friction since it is larger than the boat. So this is what the first pointer says. Now let's move on to the second pointer. So right here, faster the object flowing through a fluid, greater the fluid friction acting on it. Now let's say I have two identical boats with me. Now let's say we call the first boat, boat 1, and the second boat, boat 2. Now over here, boat 1 is moving faster as compared to boat 2. Let's say boat 1 is moving at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour, and boat 2 is moving at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Now since the boats are identical, but boat 1 is moving at a higher speed as compared to boat 2, boat 1 will experience a greater fluid friction as compared to boat 2 since it's moving faster. This is what the second pointer states. Now let's move on to the third pointer. Now the third pointer states that higher the viscosity of a fluid, greater the fluid friction acting on an object flowing through that fluid. Now wait a second, what on earth is viscosity now? Now to understand what viscosity is, tell me something. We all have seen what honey is. Now if you try to pour honey, it moves extremely slowly, isn't it? And one more thing you must have observed is that honey feels thick to touch. Isn't it? Honey feels thick to touch. And my friend, this thickness that is present in honey or in any fluid in general, this thickness is called viscosity. This thickness is called viscosity. Interesting, isn't it? So, higher the viscosity or higher the thickness of a fluid, greater the fluid friction acting on an object flowing through that fluid. This is what the third pointer states. So today we learned about the different factors affecting fluid friction. I hope you found this lesson to be interesting. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.